Yes, hello my fellow YouTubers, it is Dr. Dragunov again. I'm going to change the cam positioning sensor on a Polo 2001 1.4 16 valve. It's an AUAM engine code. It's very simple. First you take off the cover. It's 4 or 5 millimeter, whatever you call it. And then you it's located right here. You just take the connection off, did a little bit of pre-work here, also 5 millimeter, pull it up, there you go, and reverse order, plug it in. You have to excuse us, we're really windy here today. There we go. And not crazy tight, just snug it up. Oops. And let's see here with one hand. Oh, you get the idea. You get the connection on, right? I've done a video about this before, and this I'm going to talk to you about not buying Ridex or Topran or any of the other generic budget brands. Let's see here, this baby is one of the knockoffs, yeah. And it's been with me for like, I would say 3 years, and it's already bad. Rough idle, no acceleration, nothing. The engine runs like it's a piece of crap, right? So in this video I just wanted to stress Bosch. High quality stuff. Although it's not a very complicated job, or it takes a lot of time to do it, but it just pisses me off when you buy stuff and 3-4 years later it just give up on you. It's supposed to last for many years, yeah. So don't buy anything but Bosch when it comes to sensors, at least. Go Bosch or go home, that's what I say. Leave your comments below if this helped you any. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.